Hello my kids, how are you today? This is me, Mrs. Nagwa Ahmed. Are you ready? Let's start. Today we're gonna learn letter D. The name of the letter is D, and D makes the sound D, D, D. D says D, D. So D is for what? Dog. Yes, D, D, dog. D, D, dog. Lovely dog. And the dog likes to play with the drum. Yes, D, drum. D, drum. D, D. This is the sound of letter D. Goodbye, dog. D is for dog. D, dog. The dog is swimming. D, dog. Goodbye, dog. This is a dog. D is for what? Donkey. D, donkey. What is it doing? The donkey is dancing. D, donkey. D, donkey. And now letter D is for desk. Can you see this desk? D, desk. What is on the desk? Yes, a doll. This is a doll. D, doll. Let's write letter D. Are you ready? Tell me yes. Let's write. We will go down and then around, big around. Semicircle and down. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, my lovely kids.